I told you there's one thing holding you back from going to the gym every day? What if I told you there's one thing keeping you from living your fittest life? So my name's Che. Alright, some of you may know me, some of you may not. I'm a 19-year-old bodybuilder and I've been lifting for about 2 years. I started off after I got mono, 6'2", 155 pounds. Now in the present, I'm 6'2", 200 pounds. So this one thing, what could that one thing be? Is it a mindset? Is it a habit? Imagine this, your room is dirty, okay? There's a freaking rotten tomato over here, hamburgers over there, clothes everywhere, right? You might have seen a rat running around. It is so dirty. You walk in, you're looking around, you don't know where to start. You're overwhelmed because you're looking at everything, right? What do if you have to clean the room? You walk to a corner, look at that little corner and be like, okay, let's start in this one section. Then you move on to the next section and the next section, and it's a gradual process, right? So imagine that, and also imagine this. Let's say you've been smoking for 20 years and you want to stop. So you're like one day, okay, I'm done. I'm never gonna smoke again. 4 days passes, you're still doing good, but then you smell it, you see it, and you're like, okay, I can't do this. I can't. You need to take a gradual process to it. You need to have a gradual process. Maybe start 5 times a week, 4 times a week, 3 times a week, and so on until you can stop. The gym. Oh, the gym. I love the gym. But guys, sometimes we get a little too overzealous, right? Let's say you're making a New Year's resolution, the classic example. And you're like, okay, I'm going to live my fit life. I'm going to go to the gym every day. I'm going to eat right. I'm going to cut out smoking, drinking, blah, 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 blah. Get it all gone and do it all now because I want a six-pack by June. When you have all these goals at once, you're like, yeah, that's awesome. I can't wait to start. Then 3 days in, you're eating your 3rd meal of carrots for the day and you're about to go to the gym and you're like, I don't know if I can do this anymore. I'm driving myself insane. Think about that. Seriously, think about that. The reason you can't keep going to the gym, the reason is because you overwhelm yourself with every other thing that you have to do at once. It's got to be a gradual process. When I started going to the gym every day, that's all I did. I just focused on going. That's it. Just go to the gym, go to the gym, go to the gym. Some days I just went and I walked on a treadmill and I left. I didn't care. I just wanted to go every day. Then as time moved on, I got this habit in my head. So I could go every day pretty easily. Then I decided, okay, well maybe let's try and go every day and work out really hard every time I go. So I did that. I kept on doing that. Then I was like, okay, well let's start doing protein shakes after a workout. I did that. Now it's 6 months into it, going every day, and maybe I'm like, okay, I should start meal planning, maybe cutting out some crap. You see, it's so much easier when you do it all very gradually. Too many of us just jump into this huge pit of fitness and there's so much to do in so little time, you get overwhelmed and you just back away from it completely. And there's nothing wrong with that because that's extremely hard, you know? You can't just quit smoking, right? You gotta do it very gradually. You know, you can't just start living a crazy fitness life. You gotta do it gradually. It's the same thing. Your mind can only take so much. So guys, the secret is you have to do it gradually, right? Step by step. So I hope this video helped and answered any questions you may have had. If you like it, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, guys. Again, my name's Che. I'm a 19-year-old bodybuilder. Peace!